Listen to me. Are you getting weaker after 60? It's not just aging, it's you letting your body fall apart. When those grocery bags suddenly feel like lead bricks, that's a wake-up call, not a suggestion. You're losing your grip, losing your frame, and losing the independence you worked your whole life for. Most doctors will pat your hand and give you some soft advice. Eat a little more chicken, or it's just part of getting older. That's a lie for the lazy. You're already scrambling the eggs, yet you still feel like your strength is slipping through your fingers. The secret to rebuilding a hard, resilient physique isn't found in a $100 tub of chalky powder or a luxury steak. It's sitting in the dairy aisle for about $1 a serving. In this video, I'm pulling the curtain back on the cheapest, most effective muscle builder that science proves works for older legends. Most doctors ignore this because they'd rather write a prescription than check your pantry. You're going to learn why this specific protein is tactical grade for anyone over 60. Pay attention, because we are ending the weakness today. This is how you take your life back. No more excuses. Wake up. Before we talk fuel, you need to understand the war inside your cells. There is a reason you're shrinking, and it rarely gets mentioned in a polite doctor's office. The medical term is sarcopenia, but the engine driving your decline is anabolic resistance. Think of it like this. When you were 20, your muscles were elite, eager soldiers. You ate protein, and they immediately built armor. Now, your muscles have gone deaf. They've become stubborn and lazy. That same piece of chicken doesn't send the signal to grow anymore. That is anabolic resistance. Your body's ability to turn food into power is stalled. This is exactly why eating more protein is failing you. If your muscles can't hear the order, it doesn't matter how loud you shout. Most of you are starving your muscles anyway. Research proves that as a veteran of life, you need 1.0 to 1.6 grams of protein for every single kilogram of body weight. That is significantly more than some kid at the gym needs, but quantity is only half the battle. You need the right timing and the right ammo to smash through that resistance. This is where our number one food comes in to dominate. The weapon of choice is plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt. Don't roll your eyes. Listen, for rebuilding a 60-plus frame, this is pure tactical fuel, and the science is undeniable. One single, no-nonsense serving gives you a 20-gram protein punch for $1. That destroys regular yogurt and packs more heat than 3 large eggs. It isn't just about the volume. It's the two-pronged attack inside the cup that kills anabolic resistance. First, whey protein. This is your fast attack protein. It hits the bloodstream like lightning, sending a rapid spike of amino acids to your stubborn muscles. It's the spark that screams at your body to wake up and grow. Second, and even more vital, casein. This is the slow burn guardian. It forms a gel in your gut, feeding your muscles a steady stream of power for hours. This is the game changer. It stops the muscle rot while you sleep and between meals. While whey flips the switch, casein keeps the fire burning. And the secret ingredient? Leucine. Scientists call it the anabolic trigger. You need 3 grams of it per meal to ignite the engine. Greek yogurt delivers exactly that. Real-world studies show that pairing this fuel with exercise creates massive gains in strength compared to anything else. It requires 0 cooking and 0 excuses. It's packed with calcium to make your bones unbreakable. Eat it for breakfast to stop overnight loss or as a snack to keep the lights on. Get it done. If you're ready to stop being weak, hit that like button right now. It helps us get this mission out to more people who are tired of fading away. If you want the discipline and the science to build a legendary body after 60, subscribe. We deliver no-nonsense, high-octane advice every single week. No fluff, just results. Yogurt is your foundation, but an elite body needs a full arsenal. Here are 2 more affordable weapons that work with Greek yogurt to rebuild your frame. Number 2, the egg. There is a reason legends have eaten eggs for a century. They are the gold standard of cost-effective, high-quality protein. 1 egg gives you 6 grams of complete protein with all 9 essential amino acids. Like yogurt, they are loaded with leucine, the trigger your muscles are starving for. The only reason they aren't number 1 is the lack of slow-release casein, but their versatility is unmatched. Scramble them, boil them, just eat them. Forget the cholesterol myths. That's old, weak science. Focus on the brain and muscle fuel. Number 3, canned fish, salmon, tuna, or sardines. Your third gem is hiding in the canned aisle. Salmon and sardines are nutritional titans. One can deliver over 20 grams of elite absorbable protein, but the real power is the omega-3 concentration. Inflammation is the enemy. It fuels anabolic resistance and eats your progress. Omega-3s kill that inflammation, making your muscles receptive to growth again. Sardines are the ultimate unsung hero. Protein, healthy fats, and vitamin D for iron-strong bones. Pro tip: mix your tuna with Greek yogurt instead of mayo. Double the protein, zero excuses. Let's wrap this up. Feeling weak isn't a life sentence. It's a lack of strategy. Anabolic resistance is the enemy, but you now have the weapons to fight back. You don't need fancy supplements. You need discipline and the right grocery list. Here is your battle plan. Deploy Greek yogurt daily. 1 serving of plain, unsweetened yogurt every single day. No exceptions. Use it to fire up your morning or protect your gains while you sleep. Rotate your arsenal. Bring in the eggs and canned fish. Vary the nutrients to ensure your body has every block it needs to rebuild. Spread the fire. Stop eating one giant dinner. Get 30 grams of protein at every meal. Keep the signal to grow loud and constant. Your muscles are ready to get strong. They are just waiting for the order. Give it to them. By using these cheap, powerful fuels, you aren't just eating. You are rebuilding your legacy from the inside out. Take back your strength. Take back your future. The lecture is over. Now go get strong.